Hello there, welcome back. So if you have a 2018 Ford Transit T350 and you decide you want to turn your van into a garage or whatever cargo van like, I want to show you how to bypass your airbag system. So I remove all those airbags. So I got some resistor, as you can see, one here. There are 4 of them. That's another one right there, and 2 on this side. So I'm going to show you what to do, guys. So I got a whole kit from Amazon and carry these resistors. So this is exact. I'll show you guys. So that's the resistor I use, 2.2 ohms. Connect, guys. So what I do now, guys, so this piece right here, I remove it. Let's see. So you're gonna remove this clip just like this, guys. As you can see, I push the wires down in those holes right there. So take a good look, guys. So I bend the resistor just like this. I don't know why camera won't focus the guys. So I make a loop just like this, guys. Using my one hand, so it's a bit difficult to show you, but this is how I do it, guys, and push it in those pins right there. And then I snap back this right in the middle, just like that, guys. So I'm going to have to fix it back neatly, guys. So that's how I do it, to get the airbag out, the airbag light. So now the vehicle running, and there is no airbag light, warning light there, as you can see right there, guys. So I hope this video helped you all out there. So if you find this very useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.